Hey guys, when you open up the activity, you're going to get something that looks similar to this. You've got your main document right here, and this is where you're going to be typing in your answers. So only in the pink boxes, those are the only places that you're going to be typing in answers. So you just click, highlight, and type in the sample number. Okay, once you've gone through the dichotomous key and identify the rock samples, you'll type them right here. But let's say you want to get a closer look at some of these rocks or some of these words. Maybe they're too small for you. If you bring your cursor up here and hover over this icon, you see it says zoom there. You can click on the down arrow and you can zoom in two different ways. You can click on one of these percentages if you want, or you can just simply click zoom in. Once you do that, obviously it gets bigger. And then you can move this bar down here, left and right. And then over here on the side, up and down, so you can get a closer look at these. When you're finished though, it's important to come back over here. Otherwise, if you don't come back over here, you're going to click on again, it's going to zoom even bigger. But we want to get it back to its original size. So you can come back over here and you can click on 50% or you can click on the zoom out. Either one's fine. And you're back to the original size here.